Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Hey, Fritz! Why are you so sad?
I want to be a real boy.
Oh, well...
Please, help me, please.
Hey, man, what are you gonna do? Well, I think I have an idea, but we have to take Fritz home. Okay, man, let's go. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hey man, what's your idea?
You'll see now. I hope it works.
Hey, Santa Claus! Santa Claus, please come here!
Oh, what the f...
Hey, John! I didn't call you.
Oh, okay, man. Bye-bye.
Hey, Santa Claus! Santa Claus!
Wow!
Hey Brandon, what happened? Why did you call me?
Santa...
Oh shit! Sorry guys, I was trying to get some sleep.
Okay, Santa, please come here, please.
Okay.
This is Fridge. He wants to be a real boy. Please help us.
Oh boys, I don't know. I'm not supposed to do this.
Please, Santa. Please. I'll be a good boy. I promise.
Yes, Santa.
Please.
I'm going too.
Okay.
Hey, what the?
Okay, boys, stop it. I think I can do this. So, Fritz, you gonna be a real boy?
Yes, Santa.
Well. So now you're a real boy, and your name will be Bill, just like me.
Thank you, Santa. Thank you. That's the miracle of Christmas! Yay!
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!